So all these Asian cars that are here for automatic transmission. Though I'm not sure this one is here for transmission repair. But you see all these vehicles, that's what they are here for. So that's the guy that does the repairs. So later I'll put his phone number on the video description, so that if you're interested, you can contact him, and he does the repairs automatic gearbox for you. He stays in Abuja. So all this, they're all here. You know, there is this perspective that, oh, transmission is not an issue for Japanese or Asian cars, automatic specifically. You can see all these vehicles, that's what they are here for. Transmission repairs. The guy is very good too. To be honest, he's very good. I've given him two Japanese vehicles, and he repaired their transmissions. And what I mean I mean two persons that I know that drive, I think both of them, yeah, two Toyotas, and they had automatic transmission issues. I referred them here, they came here, did the repair. Man, they all had praises since then. So I will recommend him. Doesn't mean he's perfect, but I'm saying so far the people that I referred to him, he did a good job for them. So if you're interested, you can bring yours to him. Like I said, he doesn't do every other repair. I only know him for Asian cars, automatic transmission repairer. So it's up to you, but this is also for people to know that if you think that, oh, buying a Japanese car or Kia vehicle, Hyundai, any other, all these Asian vehicles, that the automatic transmissions are very good, you don't know what you're saying. They are good, but it doesn't mean they don't fail. So alright, so we'll see. I'll put his phone number on the video description, so that if you're interested, you contact him. However, whatever you deal with him, whatever transaction that goes on between two of you, is your business with him, not me. I'm just saying you can try him out. If you don't like, try somebody else. You know, I know I'm putting my integrity on the line for this, but based on feedback I got from the two persons I referred here, they had all praises for him. I've known him for years, so but you know, repairs can be a little bit tricky sometimes, especially when it comes to transmissions. So I think most of them are here because probably they couldn't afford the repairs at some point, you know. So it's not like because they are all here, it means that, oh, you couldn't repair them. No, it all depends. You bring your vehicle, they diagnose and they tell you the problem. Some may not have the money to fix it at that time. So when they have, you do the repairs. All right.